Good morning, children. And I am very happy to meet you once again here. I hope you all are very happy and in very good health. So welcome back to the English grammar section. Today we are going to study about adverbs. Already we have completed adjectives. And now let me tell you some more important things on adverbs. So what are adverbs? See, when we speak something about adjectives like the rose is beautiful, sometimes we want to tell more about the adjective, like the rose is very beautiful. So we are adding one more word to the adjective, that is very. So very word is called adverb. Now it's a too long distance. So it's a long distance. Long is adjective. But sometimes we say it is too long. So the word which we add before adjective, too, that is T-O-O-2, that word is called adverb. So now let us know more about the adverbs. So come to the section of adverbs. So in adverbs, we have again the four forms. We have four forms in adjective. That is time, manner, degrees and frequency. Adverbs of time. Adverbs of time tells us only about time. So adverbs of time tells about the importance of time. That means now, today, yesterday. Okay, this type of word they comes under the importance of time. Now next, coming to the manner. Coming to the adverbs of manner. What are adverbs of manner? Manner is our quick actions, like neatly, quickly. The girl walks quickly. The boy writes very neatly. So neatly. So whatever our manner, whatever our actions, these actions comes under adverbs. Okay. So neatly, quickly, slowly, fastly, this type of words are called adverbs of manner. Next, coming to the adverbs of degree. Now what are adverbs of degree here? For example, very. Just now I told you the rose is beautiful and the rose is very beautiful. We are adding some more word to make it more creative or to make it telling something about more. So that is called degrees of adverb. That is very, nearly, too, T-O-O-2. Okay, this type of words are called adverbs of degree. Next, coming to the adverbs of frequency. Frequency means how fast, how slow. Okay, like always. Okay, he always walks very fast, or he always does his work in time. She always study well. So this type of words like always, never. He never does his homework. So how frequent? Fast, slow. This type of words comes under frequency. Often. Okay. I often go to temple. So these words are called frequency of adverbs. So adverbs are divided into four forms. Adverbs of time, adverbs of manner, adverbs of degree and adverbs of frequency. These are the four forms: time, manner, degree and frequency. So these are the four types of adverbs. Now coming next. Now these adverbs are added to a verb, an adjective and adverb itself. Like for example here, verbs plus adverbs. Now cried. Cried is a verb. When we add an adverb, cried bitterly, it comes next to the verb. An adverb comes next to the verb, like cried bitterly, runs smoothly, shining brightly. So all these are the verbs, and adverbs are next to the verbs. So verbs plus adverbs. Here adverbs plus adjectives. Here many adverbs are added before an adjective. Like too beautiful. Beautiful is an adjective and we added an adverb. Too. It's too beautiful. Very big building. Big is an adjective. Okay. So big building. Big building is an adjective and very is an adverb. Now here barely hot. Barely is the adverb of degree. It's barely hot. So adverb plus adjective. So here adverbs are added before adjective. For verbs, adverbs are added after verbs. This is the difference between verbs and adverbs. Adverbs are added after a verb and here adverbs are added before an adjective. Now, adjective plus adjective. Both can be also added. Like too loudly. Too is also adverb and loudly is also adverb. Very slowly. Very is an adverb and slowly is also an adverb. Already late. Already is adverb and late is adverb. So adverb plus adverb. Adverb can be added to the verb, to adjective and to the adverb itself. Now suppose, for example, slow. Slow is a verb. Slow is a verb. But when we add ly, it becomes slowly. When ly is added to any verb, it becomes adverb. Okay. So when ly is added to any verb, it becomes adverb. That one thing you have to keep in mind. Like beautiful is an adjective, but we add ly to beautiful, beautifully. So then it becomes adverb. Okay. Now here barely, bare. Bare is verb. But when I added ly to bare, it becomes an adverb. Now here some sentences I have written, children. Please be quiet. Now quiet. What is quiet? It's an action word. Action word means it's a verb. It's a verb. Quiet is verb. But please sit quietly. So when I added ly to quiet, or you can say when I added ly to verb, it becomes an adverb. So quiet is a verb, but when I added ly, it becomes an adverb. The next one, the doctor came today. Today is adverb. It shows the time. The adverb of time. He met me last year. Last year. Last year is also tells us about the adverb of time. Okay, last year is adverb of time. Today is also adverb of time. Now here, he was angry. Once again, angry is a verb. But when I added ly to angry, then it become an adverb. Okay? So, adverbs are more important, but you must keep in mind that when a verb, we add ly, it becomes adverb. When we add ly to any adjective, it becomes adverb. So, verb plus adverb, adjective plus adverb, and adverb plus adverb. This is the important thing you have to keep in mind, children. And once again, let me tell you, there are 4 forms of adverbs. They are mentioned: time, manner, degrees, and frequency. For example, now, today, tomorrow, yesterday, these all words comes under time. And manner, what is our manners? That manners comes under adverbs of manner. Degrees comes under adverbs of manner, very, nearly, oftenly, quickly. Okay, this all comes under adverbs of degree. And frequency, like always, never, often, this comes under frequency. How frequent we do our work. So, children, I hope you all understood the importance of adverbs, and I hope you will do it very well in English grammar. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.